It's kind of funny that the Mercedes Benz A class has never been offered in the United States. Given that the U.S., and more specifically, California, was a key reason the brand ventured to launch a vehicle below the C class at all. See, in the early 1990s, it looked as if California was hell-bent on going electric. And Mercedes-Benz felt it needed a car like the A-Class to stay in business there. Hence its sandwich-style floor construction, with a space reserved for batteries, and its altogether ultra-efficient design. When legislators of the time cooled on the idea of electrification, work on the A-Class had progressed so far that Mercedes-Benz decided to turn the car into a conventionally powered model. It hewed to its dorky/efficient vibe for 2 generations. Until 2012. At which point the A-Class morphed into a sporty and lifestyle-oriented alternative to the Volkswagen Golf and the Audi A3. Now comes the 4th Gen A-Class, and it follows in the tire tracks of its most recent predecessor. Unveiled at a large event in Amsterdam, the hatchback version of the new A-Class won't be offered in America, but it will serve as the technical basis for 7 further models. Short and long wheelbase versions of the A-Class sedan, a new CLA class sedan and shooting brake, the next-gen GLA and B classes, and an as yet unnamed, rugged-looking small SUV sometimes referred to as the GLB. The U.S. market will receive the A sedan. Canada will get the hatchback, too. The CLA and the GLA for sure, and the little off-roader is a distinct possibility. That's reason enough to take a close look at this new model. Compared with the outgoing A-Class, the new version has a slightly longer wheelbase, and it is slightly taller and wider as well as longer. The expanded footprint translates into significantly more interior room and more luggage space. But, remarkably, the A-Class doesn't look a lot bigger than before. The styling is cleaner, sportier, and quite a bit more modern. Its front end evokes the latest CLS with an aggressive grille that flares toward the bottom end. Slim headlights. The rear is wider and features vertically split tail lights. Mercedes has considerably upgraded the chassis and powertrain portfolio. Depending on the power output, there are 2 rear suspensions. The U.S. market spin-offs will receive the more upscale multi-link axle reserved for more powerful and all-wheel drive models. The A-Class suspension also offers 3 variations: normal, a lower sport version, and a setup with adjustable dampers. Wheel sizes range from 16 to 19 inches in diameter. The gasoline-powered engine portfolio will consist of a 1.3-liter Turbo 4 and a 2.0-liter Turbo 4, both available in several power levels. There is also a 1.5-liter turbo diesel. The diesel and the smaller gasoline engine were co-developed with Renault, while the larger gasoline engine belongs to Mercedes' new 4- and 6-cylinder engine family. There are a 6-speed manual and 2 different 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmissions.